Get a feel for the 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee, the stylish all-terrain SUV that blends comfort, high performance, and rugged capability. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, turbocharged engine, navigation system, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors. Rugged versatility meets high-tech luxury in the Grand Cherokee. Get behind the wheel today.